Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look step by step. Now we do have like either people that really love Valentine's Day or people that really don't like Valentine's Day. So this look is really dedicated to more of self-love or spending some time on doing something that you would like to do for yourself. So whether or not you have plans or you're going out or you're staying in, this is a makeup look that you can just have fun with. So I want to show you how to tie a bold red lip with a neutral looking eye. So let's get started and dive into the makeup. After I have applied my Mint Pear skincare listed below in the description, I'm going to apply a foundation primer. Today's primer is Smashbox Photo Finish, and I'm just patting this on top of my skincare. For foundation today, I am using Il Maquillage Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation in shade 60. And I'm going to apply this with the Mint Pear Flat Top Kabuki brush, listed below in the description as well. All products I'm using today are going to be linked for you, so if you have any questions or I forgot to link anything, leave me a comment and I'll be sure to get you that link. I'm going to pop some concealer underneath my eyes. Today I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in, Light Sand. It's my favorite shade. Light Sand, and I just kind of spread this out and then I will go ahead and blend this in to perfection with my Mint Pear Flat Top Kabuki brush. This perfectly seals the concealer to the foundation. It just marries them together so you don't have any signs of different colors when you have a different foundation and a different concealer color. Just blends them very well. Now I'm going to set everything in place with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake. This is Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, and I'm taking the Mint Pear large powder brush to apply this setting powder all over my face. Now, since I am creating a sexy, beautiful Valentine's Day look, of course I want to have a nice glow, a bronze look. So I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, and this is such a beautiful matte bronzer. It doesn't have any shimmer to it, and I really like a bronzer that doesn't have any glitter or shimmer or pearl kind of iridescent look. So this is a really great bronzer if you just want a flat bronzer for some nice color to really warm up your skin in these winter months. And for blush, I'm reaching into the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush, and I'm going to reach for this middle pink shade right here. And I'm going to apply this just to the apples of my cheeks, which is perfect for a Valentine's Day look, really giving that beautiful, happy, youthful pink blush look. I just think is really appropriate for a Valentine's Day look. Now for highlighter, I'm going to reach into the highlighter in the Natasha Denona palette, and that one is called Glow Extreme. Literally looks like diamonds, so I think it's just such a beautiful highlighter and really special highlighter. This is an expensive palette, so I'm saving this for a special day, special occasion like Valentine's Day. I'm also applying this onto the upper brow bone and into the inner corners of my eyes, over my cupid's bow, and of course down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to use the Kiko Milano shade number 3 for my brow pencil, and I'm going to set my brows in place with my favorite brow gel, which is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I want to tell you a little bit about this brow gel because I get a lot of questions. This is a clear gel. It really holds my brows in place and I don't have to apply it throughout the day. So using this, I'm going to show you in just a second, but the 24-hour Brow Setter by Benefit, oh my gosh, that was hard to say, is definitely a great gel if you want to keep your brows in place all day. There it is. If you want to keep your brows in place all day and not have it flake off or smear or rub, This is a great natural brow, soap brow-esque style gel, if that's what you're looking for. If you want to prevent your eyeshadow from creasing, I highly recommend using an eyeshadow primer like this one, the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm just rubbing a tiny little bit over my entire eyelid. Now for eyeshadow, I'm reaching into the Natasha Denona bronze palette, and I'm going to use that shade down there in the corner, Beach. That is such a beautiful transition shade. Ooh la la, look at these colors. Gorgeous palette. Ooh. So I'm going to take this beach shade and just apply this into my crease and really towards the outer corner of my eyelid and really blend this in. Now, because I'm doing a really bold lip, I want to keep this very natural looking on the eye, but I do want to create depth. So that's the trick here, is getting a great transition shade like this one and blending that into your crease to really create some nice depth for your eyelid. Once this is blended in, I'm going to reach into the Born This Way Too Faced, and I'm reaching in for that lightest shade that I can find. This is called Swan. Such a beautiful matte light shade, and I'm just applying this right over my eyelid to create a nice contrast to the crease transition shade that I just added. Reaching back into the Natasha Denona bronze palette, I'm going to use that darkest shade, Deep Dive, and I am taking a mint pear brush to fan this out into a beautiful cat eye. This is such a great technique if you really cannot handle liquid eyeliner. I cannot stress how easy it is to take this brush and just create a nice smooth line. It's so forgiving when you use eyeshadow, especially if you use an eyeshadow primer and you're using a really high quality eyeshadow like the Natasha Denona. It will stay in place. It's not going to fade throughout the day. So I'm not concerned that the liquid eyeliner will last longer because I know that I've primed my lid properly and I'm using a high quality eyeshadow. It's going to stay in place all day. And I'm going to take that down underneath that outer corner of my lower lash line as well and connect that to the winged cat eye that I've created on the edge. To add a little bit of drama and depth, I'm going to line my lower lash line with the NARS liner, and this really does stay in place. It definitely takes a couple washes, face washes when I applied that, and I'm gonna curl my lashes, get them ready for my favorite mascara by Lancome Monsieur Big. You guys know it. I'm going to apply a few coats here, and of course, because this is a gorgeous glamorous look, I'm going to throw on a little bit more than I normally do on my lower lashes to create that dramatic, beautiful effect. And how can you have a beautiful glamorous look without throwing on some lashes? So I'm just going to quickly throw on some lashes here and really glam up this look, take it up a level. Now you will see that I have white glue. That does dry clear, so in just a few minutes that is going to be invisible and you'll only see those beautiful, natural looking eyelashes. For lip liner, I'm going to be using Stila, and this is Pink Moscato. Funny story, when I went to film this, I didn't realize that I literally don't have a red lip liner anymore. Mine dried up. So a nice trick for you guys to know, if you don't have a red lip liner, you can easily use a natural nude looking liner, and it does just the trick to keep the red lips in place. Now for my lipstick, I'm going with the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. This is such a gorgeous red. I just love this one. This one is called Love Amour. So I am a huge fan of these Revlon Matte Ultra HD lip colors because you can apply them and they will stay in place for hours. It's such a perfect lipstick if you're looking or you haven't tried it. Definitely give them a try. I will link them below for you, but I grabbed this also at Target. I do not guarantee they will have a full stock. They are always sold out, so I have probably 5 or 6 colors. Highly recommend. Check out this red. Ooh, get it, girl. Yes. And here you have it, the final and completed look. This is a very easy way to tie in a bold red lipstick with a neutral looking eye. So really you can wear this look any day of the year if you want. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. If you do have any questions, leave your comments below. I'm always here to help. Thank you so much for watching this video and for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate your support and your love, and I want you to have a beautiful day. I will see you in my next video. Take care.